How to fix Snapchat device ban. Hello everybody. If you are having that issue, you may follow up this method. So for that, you may head over to the main settings of your device. And then after you head over there, scroll down and go to apps. And from apps, go to the search bar and type in Snapchat. Tap on it. And after tapping on it, what you can do is go to storage and then clear the cache of the application. Apart from that, what you can do is in your own settings again. This time you need to go ahead and tap on general management. And after here, you will be finding date and time. Tap on it. After that, what you're going to do is if you have this automatic date and time option, you may turn it off and you may set time and date of another time. And once you do that, you should be finding the device ban uplifted from your device. So that is it. That is how you follow up this method and fix the device ban on your device. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.